Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 2FA on PayPal and avoid account takeover. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the security tab and click on it. Look for an option labeled two-step verification. Click on two-step verification to begin the setup process. Select Get Started to initiate the two-factor authentication setup. Choose whether to receive your verification code via text message or an authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and click Next. You will receive a verification code on your phone via SMS. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Confirm. If you prefer using an authentication app, follow the prompts to set it up. Scan the QR code displayed on the PayPal website using your authentication app. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code on the PayPal website to confirm your setup. After confirming, review your backup options in case you can't access your primary method. You can save backup codes or link an alternative phone number if needed. Complete the setup process by clicking Done or Finish. Your two-factor authentication is now active. Congratulations, you have successfully set up 2FA on PayPal to enhance your account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.